welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and it has been a while since we've made a video. As you can tell with the new kitchen behind me, we have moved. Today, the video that we're going to be doing is not a cooking video, but a video of a coat that I just purchased, a vegan coat. And the coat came today and I'm just about to open it, so I thought I'll make a video and show you guys because it is a vegan coat from a company called Wuxly, and it's a Canadian company. All the coats, they make men's and women's coats and hats as well, and everything is designed and manufactured in Canada. They don't use any animal products in their coats, and they use very high quality, sustainable materials. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box, and I'm excited to see my coat. Okay, so on the box it says live warm, but I guess it's hashtag live warm for Instagram. And their website is wuxly.com. And I just also want to let you know that I've paid full price for this coat. I didn't get any deal at all, obviously. I'm a very small channel, so I paid full price, and I'm just excited. I'm excited to have a warm coat that is vegan and cruelty-free and made in Canada. Oh, say hello to your new favorite jacket. This color is the Great Lakes blue. Before I take it out, I'm just gonna let you know too that the style is called the Doe 4. The Doe 4 Parka, women's coat. And this is Great Lakes blue. It also comes in black and green and red. But they have lots of different styles, not just this style. They have tons of different styles of men's and women's coats. But this is the one that I bought because it's very, very warm, and I work outside year round, and I need something very warm. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow, whoops. Wow, that's a nice coat. Oh my gosh, yes, it says deceivingly warm. Minus 30 degrees. I can't really see anything else without my glasses. Okay, so in the box, there's also this nice tote bag. It's a nice, good size shopping bag. And I should mention that they ship worldwide as well. Okay, and also there's a little card in there. It says, "May the warmth be with you." And I noticed, I'll have to grab my glasses, I noticed that there is a handwritten message on the back. Right there. And it says, "Hey Brooke, welcome to the Wuxly family. May your Doe Parka bring you lots of warmth and many winter adventures. Live warmly, Wuxly." Okay, now I gotta try it on. There it is, little Canadian flag. Oh my gosh, so nice. Wow, see if you can, it's really good quality. So nice. Okay, let's try this on. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be nice and toasty. Really nice and toasty. Wow. And look at the sleeves. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. Little ties to cinch in the waist. So that's what it looks like without it cinched in. I haven't looked in the mirror yet, I'm just looking down. The fit is really good. It's actually a perfect fit. I should also mention that they do personal fittings. Okay, I also discovered that there are built-in backpack straps inside the coat. Put it around my shoulders like a backpack, and then that way you don't have to carry your coat. You're not holding it. You have your hands free. You just put your coat on your back like that. And the insulation in the coat is Primaloft Gold insulation, and that's made with 55% post-consumer waste plastic. And the lining, the protective lining inside, is made with 100% recycled plastic. There's an inside pocket for cell phones, which is great. And then nice big pockets here. Well, I am very happy with this purchase. This is high quality and ethically made, so really happy that I bought it. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. I really enjoyed opening this and showing you this awesome coat. So please tune in again and ring your little bell so that you're notified when future videos come out. And please like and comment and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.